Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn the article how to find square root of a given complex number. So let us see here. Square root of a complex number. See here in short method how to find. Suppose we have to find square root of a complex number x plus iy. Let square root of x plus iy. So we write is equal to a plus ib. Suppose equation number 1. Note that we have to find square root of given complex number x plus iy. So your first step is to write square root of that given complex number equal to, we suppose, a plus ib. Next step here, squaring both sides. On squaring, after squaring, root cancels, we get here x plus iy is equal to right side a plus ib square. We simplify right side, a square plus I square b square plus 2abi, that is equal to a square. I square means minus 1, we get minus in here, b square, and that is real part without I, plus 2abi. Then we compare both sides. On comparing, see a real part on right side is a square minus b square, that is without I. On left side real part is x. Suppose equation 1, and similar imaginary part is 2ab is equal to, on left side imaginary part is y, equation 2. So here equation 1 and 2 are simultaneously linear equations. We can solve these two equations, and after solving we can find the values of a and b. So we find a and b from 1 and 2, and we substitute in equation 1, and that is nothing but required square root of given complex number x plus iy. So we find here a and b. We find the values of a and b from equation 1 and 2. Suppose this equation a, and substitute in equation a, that gives the required square root of complex number x plus iy. Okay, so in this way we can find square root of given complex number. First step, we write square root of given complex number. We suppose that is equal to a plus ib. Then squaring both sides, we get x plus iy on the left side. After squaring on right side, we get a square minus b square plus 2abi. Then comparing both sides, equate real part equal to real part, imaginary part equal to imaginary part. So we get two equations 1 and 2. Solve these two equations. From that we can find the values of a and b, and substitute a and b in equation a, that is first equation, and that nothing but required square root of given complex number x plus iy. After putting here a and plus a and b, we get required square root. Okay, then we'll see some problems depends on this. Continue. First problem, find the square root of minus 8 minus 6i. Right, solution. So first step, we let symbolically we have to find square root of this number minus 8 minus 6i, and suppose that is equal to a plus ib. Suppose equation 1. Next step, on squaring, so get here minus 8 minus 6i is equal to a plus ib whole square. Simplify right side, a square plus I square b square plus 2abi. So we have a square, I square means minus sign, minus 1, that is minus b square plus 2abi. And then compare both sides. On comparing, so real part on right side is a square minus b square. On left side real part is minus 8, equation number 2 here. And imaginary part on right side is 2ab. On left side imaginary part is minus 6, and therefore we get ab equal to divide by 2 minus 3, and therefore b equal to minus 3 divided by a, right? We put this value in equation 2. So equation 2 becomes a square minus b square. B means minus 3 divided by a, its square, is equal to minus 8. Simplify a square minus square of minus 3, we get here 9 divided by a square is equal to minus 8. Cross multiplication, a square into a square means a square square minus 9 is equal to, take a square on right side, minus 8 a square. Multiply throughout by a square here, and we get a square its square minus becomes plus 8 a square minus 9 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation in terms of a square. If we write here a square equal to m, we get m square plus 8m minus 9 equal to 0. So we get here m square plus 8m minus 9 is equal to 0. We can factorize this. Factorize minus 9 such that their sum is plus 8. M plus 9, m minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 into minus 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. And therefore we get m equal to minus 9, or m is equal to 1. But m is a square, and therefore we get a square is equal to minus 9, or a square equal to 1. Since a square equal to minus 9 is not possible, because a is a real number and square of real number is not negative. So this is a wrong equation, impossible equation, and therefore possible equation is a square equal to 1 only. And we get here two values for a. After taking square root, we get a equal to plus minus 1. So when a equal to plus 1, we can find value of b. When a equal to 1, from above step, what is b? B is minus 3 divided by a, and a is 1 here, so we get here minus 3, right? And when a equal to minus 1, b is minus 3 divided by a, and a means minus 1, so minus plus here, so we get plus 3. So we get value of a as 1, value of b as 3. We substitute a and b in equation 1. So from equation 1, we get square root of minus 8 minus 6i equal to equation 1, right side is a plus ib. Here a means 1 and b means 3, 1 plus 3i. Note that 1 plus 3i is the required square root of given complex number. Continue second problem. Find the square root of 7 plus 24i. See solution. First let square root of 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. Suppose equation 1. Next step, squaring both sides. On squaring, we get here 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib its square. So a square minus b square plus 2abi, right? A square plus I square b square means minus b square. Then compare both sides. On comparing, a square minus b square is equal to 7. Suppose equation number 2, and imaginary part is 2ab is equal to, on left side imaginary part, 24. Therefore ab equal to 24 divided by 2 means 12, and from this we get b equal to 12 divided by a. Put this value in equation 2. So equation 2 becomes a square minus b square means 12 divided by a its square is equal to 7. So we get a square minus 2 square, 144 divided by a square equal to 7. Then throughout multiply by a square to this equation. So we get here a square its square minus 144, a square cancel here, right side 7 a square. So we get a square its square minus 7 a square minus 144 is equal to 0. If we write a square equal to m, so we get here m square minus 7m minus 144 equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. We can factor this. Factors are m minus 16, m plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus 16 plus 9 minus 7, minus 16 into 9 minus 144, and this gives m equal to 16 or m equal to minus 9. But m equal to a square, and therefore a square is equal to 16 or a square equal to minus 9. Since a square equal to minus 9 is not possible because a is a real number, square of real number is not negative, that is the wrong equation, and therefore possible equation is a square equal to 16, and thus we get a equal to plus minus 4. So we know values of a, we can find b. So when a equal to plus 4, we can find b. From above step, what is b? b is 12 divided by a, and substitute here 12 divided by a means 4, 12 upon 4 is 3. Similarly, when a equal to minus 4, b equal to 12 divided by minus 4, so we get a minus 3. Thus we get value of a 4, value of b 3. When a is minus 4, b is minus 3. Okay. So we substitute this value in equation 1. So from 1 we get square root of 7 plus 24i is equal to a plus ib. So first take a equal to 4, b equal to 3i, or we can take second pair, a is minus 4, b is minus 3i. Note that square root of 7 plus 24i nothing but 4 plus 3i, or minus 4 minus 3i. So both correct. You can check or you can tally answer by taking square of this. If you take square of 4 plus 3i, you must get 7 plus 24i. If you take square of minus 4 minus 3i, then always you will get 7 plus 24i. Okay. Continue third problem. Find the square root of 1 plus 4 root 3i. So first step, let square root of 1 plus 4 root 3i is equal to complex number a plus ib. Suppose equation 1. On squaring, we get here 1 plus 4 root 3i is equal to a square minus b square plus 2abi. Then compare both sides. So we get real part a square minus b square is equal to 1, equation 2, and imaginary part is 2ab is equal to 4 root 3i. Coefficient of I is the imaginary part. So ab equal to 4 upon 2, 2 root 3. So b equal to 2 root 3 divided by a. Put this value into. So equation 2 becomes a square minus b square. B square means 2 root 3 divided by a, its square is equal to 1. So a square minus 2 square 4, root 3 square 3, 4 into 3, 12 divided by a square is equal to 1. Throughout multiply by a square to this equation, so we get a square its square minus 12 equal to 1 into a square. So a square its square minus a square minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in terms of a square. If I write a square is equal to m, so we get m square minus m minus 12 is equal to 0. We can factorize this. Factors are m minus 4 into m plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, and this gives m is equal to 4 or m is equal to minus 3. But m is a square, and therefore a square is equal to 4 or a square equal to minus 3. Since a square equal to minus 3 is not possible, you know reason, because a is the real number, square of real number is not negative, that is the wrong equation, and therefore correct equation is a square equal to 4. So get two values, that is plus minus 2. Therefore when a equal to plus 2, we can find b from above step. What is b? B is 2 root 3 divided by a. Substitute a here. 2 root 3. What is a? A is 2. 2 to cancel, and we get here root 3. Second value is minus 2. Substitute in b. B is 2 root 3 divided by a means minus 2. 2 to cancel, so we get minus root 3. Thus we get values of a and b. So from equation 1, we get square root of 1 plus 4 root 3i is equal to, we substitute values of a and b in equation 1. So first pair 2, b is root 3i, or second value minus 2 minus root 3i. Note that this is the required square root of given complex number 1 plus 4 root 3i. You can check the answer by taking square of this number. If you take square of this, always you will get 1 plus 4 root 3i. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.